Sweet and sour sausage, peppers, and onions. I'm browning the sausages, and you can use the swirly kind, the thin rope, or you can use the big boys. So all I'm doing here is browning the casings that I've pierced all along the casing, the natural casing. All along the casing, I pierced this with a knife, or again, the tines of a fork work too, okay? Okay guys, so I added the peppers and onions to the drippings of the browned sausage, which we have waiting over here, okay? Now, they're getting sweaty. They're getting their juices flowing. So we're safe to add our sliced garlic. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. You can use red pepper, you can use both. And we just want this to wilt down. Now we're gonna do the agrodolce, okay? We're going to sprinkle about a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of sugar over the top. Along with the salt and pepper or red pepper, and stir to melt the sugar into the dish. That's the sweet, obviously. Little aged balsamic down over the top. And now we have sugar and vinegar in the same dish, okay? And now we give that a stir. Now we're gonna add a little sun-dried tomato paste. I'm down to the end of this tube, and I like about 3 tablespoons, and that's only got a little tiny bit left. So I've got a second tube here I opened to add a little more. And then I'm gonna use about a cup of semi-dried tomatoes, which you can buy on the, you know, like the appetizer aisle where they keep all the pre-packed deli stuff, or you can buy it in jars. These are semi-dried tomatoes. If you can't find them, it's no big deal. All you have to do is take sun-dried tomatoes and put them with hot water and let them plump up. Throw them in the pan. Fine. Then we're going to take a little stock. This is a combo stock. It's bone broth made with turkey, chicken, and beef. And we're gonna nest the sausages back in to finish cooking through in that delicious mess that we've created in here. And we let this go until it thickens up and develops a little more color and a lot more flavor, and to finish cooking the sausages through. Boop! Okay, now we're gonna add some Italian wine. I'm using a Rosso di Montalcino. And we're just gonna let this cook down and out. I am just scraping raw garlic across charred bread. John charred the bread. Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.
Because I cannot without setting it on fire. And then we drizzle the bread with really good fruity olive oil. Blah, 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 blah. You don't need to add the sound effects, but it's kind of fun if you do. And then flaky sea salt. Okay? And then stack them and crack them. Okay, so here's the agrodolce. This is sausage, peppers, and onions with vinegar, tons of tomatoes. Oh, look at this.